So, surprise nila kami.
Anong papel po, babe?
Isi-surprise natin sila. So, ang gagawin natin, bibigyan natin sila ng cake at saka ng pansit at saka ng coffee and saka pizza, tsaka ayun lang naman so far. So, let's go. Let's go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, guys!
Happy birthday, Jello and Danny. From us, insert no Simon Day. Pakasar yung tawa.
Game na!
Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Guys, pasok na kayo! Good morning! Hello! Surprise! Happy birthday to you!
Hello!
Happy birthday to you!
Guys! My God!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Yes!
Ano masasabi nyo?
Thank you!
Message, guys, message.
Ano? Tawag fans, thank you so much kasi pangarap ko lang to noon, tinupad yung ngayon. Thank you so much.
Danny message. Danny message.
Thank you, thanks so much.
Pala, Danny, yay! Happy birthday!
Ganto! Hey!
Jello and Danny.
Happy No Simon Day!
Yes! Kasi wala si Simon.
1, 2, 3! Happy No Simon Day! Joke lang sa'yo.
Baka natin yung picture tayo.
Ay, sila lang. Ay, may video pa.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Wish. O tapos ano naman, isasampal yung mukha
Wala
sa
nang hihipan.
sa cake. Punasan kayo ng nice wish.
Wish na. Picture niyo.
Wish, sana i-credit na yung ours natin.
2, 3, go. Yay!
Happy
Thank you guys! Thank you guys!
Birthday Jello. Birthday Danny. Last na. Picture. Ay, oo, picture tayo.
Ay, busy sa work.
Ay, happy birthday. Game. Yung jambong tablet ni ano.
Saan? Ikaw.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Tayo na guys!
Ano na time-lapse video?
Video yan.
Video. Happy birthday. Showdown. Happy birthday.
Tigil nga ng cake, tigil nga ng cake, tigil nga ng cake. Grab ng cake.
Cellphone nila. Eh, ito, oh. Kanino ba to? Sa'yo yan?
Mine. Yeah.
Damn. That's Friday night. Ay, matugtog natin yun. Ayun, Magic Mind.
May-ari na to?
Ay, feel ka lang.
Mamig ko ha?
Hello? Pwede yun?
Guys,